is the Giantex portable washer. That's the hookup. Doesn't have a digital display, but that's okay. This is the inside. Has UV light to kill germs. It's pretty compact. Very easy to hook up. I recommend you go to Home Depot and bring your sink aerator with you. Also bring the hose with you. It is pipe fitting. Sorry. It's pipe fitting. It's not water hose fitting. So if they're having trouble figuring that out, just to let you know. Because I was at Home Depot for a good 20 minutes. It works really good and I fit a good amount in here. Easy to move, it's very light. It spins well. I highly recommend it. If you're on the fence, don't be. It works.
Hello. This is the Giantex washing machine. So this is the 1 cubic foot. So it's going very well. I started to like it. It's for example, here I'm using the medium water level with the normal washing cycle. I added six years here, and it's going very well. It's not that noisy. I barely could hear it from outside the bathroom. So I put it here next to the bathtub. I connect it to the shower head here. So I have this connection. I had this 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch connection adapter. Then this is the water connection, and it's connected here to the washing machine, and the drainage is going into bathtub here. The electricity is just connected here to the power. So it's going well. I also add this aluminum pan at the bottom just to avoid any leakage, any drop. I also add this water drop sensor, so if there is any leakage, it will alarm. That will be super helpful with with small houses. Yeah, I have tried it for like the last week. It has been here for a week because of COVID-19 issue. I'm not going to the public laundry. It's not noisy. It's not noisy at all. When it spins, it's smart. So if it starts to spin and the clothes are not balanced inside it, so what will happen? It will stop to avoid any sound. Then it will spin left and right quickly to balance the clothes. Then it will continue to run, which is really smart. I was not expecting such product for $200. 5 stars so far. It is so good. One thing about it is I'm not able to know how many wash cycle unless if I try it. I wish if in the manual there is instructions that says maybe the normal, for example, takes 3 wash cycles. It fills the water 3 times. The standard is the same as 3 times. I could not find any difference between the normal and standard. The fast fill it 2 times. After testing it, it takes 2 times. I didn't try the other system, but the water level maximum, the high level, it has some leakage outside. I tried it once, then I had some few drops of water outside of the washing machine, then I stopped using it. It's pretty well. It's pretty good. It's not that bad for $200 washing machine. I like it.
machine has been prepped. Laundry's in. The new inlet hose is on. So, power would be helpful, I suppose. I want low. So you know that light is the UV light. I want a normal program. And the water is going in, so is this one. And boom! Soft shut lid.